Good day, everyone. We are pleased to introduce our group project titled Icebreaking, an innovative academic social app designed to support students in their learning journey through collaboration, motivation, and meaningful rewards. Let me introduce the members of our team behind the idea. Awangku Muhammad Wais, Owen Demengilok, myself, Gerard James Justinus Sito, Jivika Jusbian, and Weber Gary. And guiding us throughout this project is our respected lecturer, Professor Madya, Dr. Norazia binti Muhammad Saleh. Together we aim to present a creative solution to some of the real academic challenges faced by students, especially here at UiTM Kota Kinabalu, through our app, Icebreaking. At UiTM Kota Kinabalu, students face three academic challenges: lack of consistent study habits, absence of structured peer support, and little to no positive reinforcement for collaborative learning. Many rely on unorganized WhatsApp or Telegram groups, which often lack quality control and sustainability. This leads to shallow learning, stress, and academic burnout, especially for students without access to external support. Icebreaking addresses this problem through a holistic gamified platform. Our study hub allows students to share quality study material like notes and flashcards, earning points and recognition from their peers. The tutor zone connects students for structured peer tutoring with built-in feedback systems, giving expert students a clear way to contribute and be rewarded. What sets Icebreaking apart is our use of behavioral psychology and gamification. Points can be exchanged for real-world rewards like ice cream vouchers, creating positive feedback loops that keep students motivated. On top of that, Icebreaking builds academic communities based on learning interests, helping reduce isolation and fostering peer connection. In short, Icebreaking transforms studying from a solo struggle into a fun, rewarding, and community-driven experience that benefits students, educators, and even local businesses.
For the newness and the innovativeness of our educational app compared to other existing educational apps, we aim to promote positivity in education. For example, we use ice cream as the theme to spread positivity to students. This will give students more motivation in study. Not only that, we also reward our student or for our user by completing objectives that have been provided in the educational app, like a game. Not only that, we also ensure that our app is easy to use. Icebreaking offers great app experience with ease of access and simple user interface. Our app also offers a faster access to study material compared to web browsing, where students are required to open multiple tabs in their internet browser. With Icebreaking, we expect student engagement will be increased. This is because students will be more active in joining events or participating in school activities. This is because our app will provide an advertising board that will give students more freedom in advertising upcoming activities in our school. This will also motivate students to be more engaged in school activities. And lastly, with our app, students' learning experience will be enhanced. This is because we provide a platform for students to find answers for their questions. We also encourage students to build collaboration with each other with effective communication. This is also helps to build skills in students where they can be used in the futures, for example, leadership skills.
Without wasting our time, let's start with the first section, which is education and community building. Icebreaking begins with a simple yet powerful idea. Education should not be confined to the four walls of classroom. Our platform creates authentic academic communities where students learn with and from one another through peer-to-peer networks. This collaborative model is democratic and inclusive because here, students are not just learners, but also teachers and contributors. It is a unique blend of social learning and self-empowerment that helps reduce academic isolation and improve performance. second section, which is economic innovations. What makes icebreaking truly novel is how it connects education to local economy. We have built a system that creates a sustainable microeconomy where local businesses benefit from student traffic and students receive affordable perks like discount and vouchers. Even more, students can earn part-time income by offering tutoring services through the platform, turning academic skills into economic opportunity. It is creative, it's practical, and it helps both communities and students grow together.
Next, we will look into the business and application potential of Icebreaking app. So for Icebreaking app, it has a revenue model in the premium services where users can pay 4.90 Ringgit per month to enjoy benefits such as no ads, free vouchers, and many more. Speaking of ads are our second revenue model by using Google Ads. Commissions from collabs and partnerships can also help us in generating revenue from the app. And the expansion strategy of the app starts with UITM-KK so that we have a user base. Then, later we will expand to other campuses such as UMS or Polytechnic KK to implement our app there. This will make a network effect towards other campuses as well. The partnerships and collabs to vendors are currently in progress and confirmation so that we can finally launch the app. Finally, Icebreaking has strong support from UITM-KK through registering MassMed, and there is potential of educational incentive from government. This is due to the Icebreaking supports national educational goals. We also have a business plan with projections of finance and a rough prototype.
Next, we look into the technological readiness of the Icebreaking app. As of right now, the app is in the 5th level of technology readiness, which is where the app has validation in the real environment. We did this by using a mock app such as Figma to be used as a test to dabble on its core components such as how the app should be presented in terms of UI and interface. We received such validations through a business pitch competition held in UITM-KK during my ENT day, where we presented the idea and the rough prototype of the app to our target markets, the students and the lecturers. We were open to feedback and gave the students a beta testing of the app to ensure that we were able to gain information on what to improve. With that being said, the feedback given will make us have the confidence to proceed to the next level of TRL of technological readiness level, such as a fully functioning prototype, expanded testings, and the App Store development on Google Play. As for the intellectual property, we as a group of students still require a bit of validation and thus hesitant to deal with the complicated and unfamiliar process. But if our project becomes a reality, we will take this idea into heavy consideration. But for now, we as a group thank you for your time.